Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to prepare for Vlogmas. Vlogmas is here and I can't believe that we're already at the end of 2024, but we are. For those of you who don't know what Vlogmas is, it's basically when you post from December 1st to the 25th daily, and the content is mostly festive holiday content. It is a challenge to do, but I think with the right preparation it can be done. I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Right now they are having their biggest sale this year, up to 35% off their stunning jewelry pieces. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand that focuses on affordable luxury jewelry. They have so many amazing pieces to choose from. These are the newest pieces that I've added to my jewelry collection. I absolutely love each piece. I especially love this heart necklace. It's super cute and I definitely am going to get a lot of wear out of it. With this amazing sale that Ana Luisa is doing right now, you can either treat yourself or shop for gifts for this holiday season. The sale is for a limited time only, so don't miss out. Alright, so we're going to be going through this by sections, breaking it down so you guys are ready for Vlogmas. So when it comes to Vlogmas, step one is planning your content. You have to plan your content. You have 25 videos that you're trying to post in a month. You have to plan. First, you need to brainstorm what videos you even want to make. So first, I would say make a list of your 25 videos. Again, keep them in a festive kind of theme. Some examples are like holiday shopping hauls or a day in the life Christmas shopping with me, a video on specific gift guides and things like that. Once you have your 25 videos, it's important to make a content calendar. That way you can see which videos you will be posting and when. This will also help you with batching your content. You definitely need to batch your content when it comes to Vlogmas, because you don't want to have the pressure of feeling like each day you need to be filming, editing, and uploading a video. So you definitely need to batch your content. I would say batch maybe like a week of content in one sitting, and then the following week do the same thing. Next, we're going to be talking about your organizing tools and gear. You have to make sure all of these things are in place and ready for you when it comes to Vlogmas. So making sure your camera, your microphone, your editing software, all of that is working and it's ready to be used, because you're going to be using it a lot. So making sure all of those things are good to go is essential. Next, we're going to be talking about setting the mood when it comes to Vlogmas. Vlogmas, again, it needs to be festive. It needs to be holiday themed. Ways that you can do this is by creating that holiday aesthetic through your intros, your outro, your thumbnail, your banner, all of those things. Make them holiday themed. Make it feel like that you're actually participating in Vlogmas, and make your audience and your watcher know that this is a Vlogmas video. You can also do this by decorating the environment around you. So like you can do like a holiday tree, a little miniature holiday tree, or things like that. If you guys need any help or anything when it comes to the intros, the outros, the banners, the thumbnails, you can easily do it on Canva, but I'll have something for you guys at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Next, we're going to be talking about how to stay consistent and avoiding burnout. You are going to be posting 25 videos. Like, that's a lot. So it might be hard to stay consistent. It might be hard to not feel overwhelmed, but these are a few tips to help you guys out with that. Number one is time management. Don't spend all day on one video. So when it comes to editing, make sure your editing is, yes, festive. Yes, you have maybe elements of the holiday theme and things like that, but make sure that the editing is simple. Secondly, don't think that everything has to be perfect. I am like the worst perfectionist. I want everything to look a certain way and be a certain way, but sometimes when you are especially creating so much content, perfection isn't a thing that you can kind of like make a priority about. Perfection equals time. Thinking that you want your video to be perfect and look a certain way is not going to be ideal. So get that out of your head that you need to have this perfect video, because it might not always be that. And lastly, remember to take care of yourself. I get that you want to take on this challenge and you want to push yourself, but a video is not worth your health, losing sleep over, or anything like that. So make sure that you guys are taking care of yourselves. If you skip a day, no problem. Move on to the next day. It's not that big of a deal. You guys know it wouldn't be me if I didn't create something to help you guys out. So I created some intros, some outros, some thumbnails, and some banners that are festive themed and holiday themed. I also, the overachiever that I am, I created a Vlogmas Planner. So in the Vlogmas Planner, you have a list of video ideas. You guys can either follow these video ideas or you can brainstorm your own, but at least this will kind of help get you guys going. Next in the planner is the Vlogmas overview. In the Vlogmas overview, you're basically just listing your videos and then checking off, hey, I filmed this video, I've edited this video, I've uploaded this video, but all in one place so you can see what you still have to do for each video. Next is the content calendar. So basically it's just a December 2024 calendar. That way you can see what you are posting and when. And the last page you'll be getting is the video planner. That's just a little something that I made to help you guys out with Vlogmas. I couldn't help myself. But yeah, let me know if you guys are doing Vlogmas. Again, keep it lighthearted. Don't stress out about it. I wish you all the best on your Vlogmas experience if you are participating, and I will see you guys in the next video.